In this video, I'm going to show you how to fold your sleeves in 4 easy ways. Hi, this is Swapnil and welcome back to the Classic Dandy. If you're someone who's new to the channel, do consider subscribing. Gentlemen, whether you're working at the office, running errands, or just want to show off your forearms, a good sleeve fold is imperative. It can prevent you from looking sloppy. So do make sure that you watch this video till the end and cover all the 4 folding techniques. Let's start off with the IFA roll. Unbutton your cuff as well as your placket button. Now using your cuff as a reference, give it nice clean fold 1 and 2. This is very common. Gentlemen usually use this fold when they are at their workstation. Remember to try this fold only if your sleeves are snug, and remember to keep your placket button unbuttoned, otherwise you can end up looking sloppy. Extension to the last fold. This is the basic fold. Instead of 2 folds, go for the 3rd as well. This looks more defined compared to the last. This is apt for casual shirts and if you want to show off your forearms. This is apt for leaner guys as well. Make sure to keep your placket button unbuttoned here as well. The high roller, my personal favorite. This fold suits most of the body shapes and sizes, most of the gentlemen out there. A fold that sits above your elbow. So make sure that your sleeve doesn't sit at the elbow but a little above the elbow. It is perfect for gentlemen who are waiting to flaunt their biceps. The only downside is that this fold is tedious to unfold and particularly gives you more wrinkles on your sleeves. The master roll, easily the most versatile of the lot. This fold is particularly good if you have pattern on the insides of your cuff. Fold your cuff once and pull up your sleeves. The cuff rests just above the elbow and the excess fabric rolls over it. This looks very clean, very put together, and the best part is that this is the easiest fold to be uncuffed. And last but definitely not the least, what not to do. These are the single folds. Never go for single folds. They do absolutely nothing for your look. They are unstructured and very casual and downright ugly. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you do make sure that you leave me comments and do let me know what you would like to see in the future. The Classic Dandy is present on every major social networking platform. So do not forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest and on TikTok. Also, do check out my reels every single week on Instagram. The Classic Dandy is an endeavor to make men's fashion more accessible and practical. So gentlemen, if you're someone who's new to the channel, do consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you.